Located on an elevated oversized lot with a fantastic private pool is an open floor plan private home in an established community nearby to Walt Disney World. New shopping, excellent dining, world-class entertainment and access to the 429, I-4, and 417. In the quaint community of Loma Del Sol, you will find a comfortable home with plenty of living space, new roof and exterior paint in 2017, natural gas on-demand water heater and side entry oversized 2-car garage with built-in workshop space. The kitchen, accessible from all gathering areas, offers stone counters, stainless steel appliances, including a dual-fuel convection natural gas range, double pantry with buffet and California-style breakfast bar. This home is perfect for entertaining and big holiday gatherings. Plantation shutters in all rooms look fantastic and allowing when needed plenty of natural light to showcase tile flooring in all gathering areas and bamboo flooring in all bedrooms. The master suite is quite roomy with covered patio and pool access, 2 big walk-in closets and a master bath with corner garden tub, double sink vanity and walk-in shower. There are 2 other bedrooms, each a nice size and adjacent to 2 full-size baths. Sliders in the family and living rooms open up, extending your living space outdoors to a massive covered patio, huge pool with a pebble textile surface, storage closet and gazebo with lighting and gas fire pit. The backyard